Hello vlog, good morning. Group photo.
Oh,
Wake up,
video
wake up.
pala.
Ay, video pala. Say hi. My gosh. Mali naman ako ate. Okay.
Mamaya, screenshot
Disclosure po ito. Your pictures are in the chat. Baka maging artista kayo. Wow, you guys are lucky. Go down the
Lunch is coming.
Sabi rin namin, pumasok ka na. I-display ka. Wala nang wala. Sa Peyto dito,
Please like and subscribe. Bakit hindi Toronto inuna?
Madumi yun sa langit. Kasi sabi niya, alam mo bakit?
The Bow River gets its name from the willow trees that grew along the shores of the river. The First Nation people used to use the boughs of the willow tree to fashion their bows for their bow and arrow.
Got it?
Jesus. Mama Pudela, Mama. Mama Pudela. Mama Pudela. Mama Ako, takalata Pudela.
在水里面是吧？哦，你注意啊。
Just blur it. My head out of the way. There's a lake in there.
This is Swallow Lake.
Asan ang mga ano, iba pang senior? Hindi pa.
Yan yun.
Yung mga bata.
Parang andi, saan ba yung babaan? Dito?
Adwa pa.
Just to wait for us. Hello. We're going back to the...
We're going back to the Philippines.
going back to the Philippines.
Using the bus.
Riding the bus.
Riding by the bus and the black bear.
Gusto mo, jogging tayo. Ah, yan. Sa Pilipinas, so every morning.
Dalawa lang pang nawala dyan kasi lumipat sa kabilang bus.
Oh. So we're good? Okay. Si Princess ulit, magpupunta na. Siya na ang representative.
Wait lang po.
Yan na.
Wag sanang baba.
Ito mga ito.
Dungan mo
And Nigel was part of an expedition, an early expedition that was running short of food. And everyone was very weak and they were starving. And a couple of people went out, the experienced hunters and trappers went out in search of food, and they came back each day empty-handed. And Nigel was the cook for this particular party, and so he went out and he managed to come back with a bighorn sheep, with a great big ram, much to everyone's delight because they were, you know, near starving. And so they were so impressed and so happy that he showed up with this big ram, which was enough to feed them for quite a while. But they named everything in this area after him.
Amoy sunog nga, no?
Aming usok.
Ay, galing tayo doon?
Oo, diba? Doon tayo galing.
Wow! Oo.
Oh yeah, there's more here.
Our bus. I'm on the first bus. There's not that many on there.
You're someone.
that look? The skywalk could be out here. That's probably 1,000 feet.
Meron tour. Hindi na namin pupuntahan na magka-drive class. Doon na pupunta kami sa itong lugar naman.
Hanggang kailan doon ba kayo?
Yung gamiyak ko.
Sana balik kayo sa
Punta natin sila sa December, Rina.
Tignan natin, kasama sila nilibit.
Mataas yan, baka malamig.
Doon tayo pupunta sa may yelo na yun.
Tempo ka
Iba ang yelo dito. Iba.
Cheers na. Mag-cheers. Sabihin nyo lang cheers.
Kasi doon ang isa kaya
Sila atin nila. Ayun na. Ayun. Itanong mo nga.
sabay-sabay.